Hello children. In the alternating current we have next topic is series resonance circuit. In the series resonance circuit, inductor, capacitor and resistor, they are connected in the series combination with the alternating supply of the voltage V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Now, if the LCR is connected in the series combination and this circuit allow maximum current at a given particular frequency, then that frequency is known as resonant frequency. In the LCR circuit we have done, for the impedance we have written Z is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Now we are saying at a particular frequency. Now at the particular frequency, this XL is equal to XC. If XL equal to XC, then we can say that Z is equal to R square under root. So Z, this will be equals to R. Now the current in the circuit is given as I is equal to V by Z. I is equal to V by Z. Here Z is equal to R. If R is minimum, then current will be maximum. So we can say if the circuit allow maximum current, then at that particular frequency, that XL, that should be equal to the XC. Then that particular frequency is known as resonant frequency. So at resonance, XL equal to XC, XL is equal to omega L. At the particular frequency, that is omega naught L. XC 1 by omega C, we can write 1 upon omega naught C. So we can write omega naught square, that is equal to 1 by LC, and omega is equal to 1 by under root LC. We know angular frequency omega, this is 2 pi nu naught, is equal to 1 by under root LC. So we get the value of nu naught, this is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. So this nu naught is known as resonant frequency. If we plot the graph between current and frequency, then this is omega, current, this is resistance R2, for the resistance R1, this is current I0. Here R1 is greater than R2. If R1 is greater than R2, R is greater, current will be less. So R2 is less, so current is minimum, and this I0 is called peak value. Peak value of current. This is called omega naught. We can say omega 1 and this is omega 2. At omega is equal to omega naught, at this particular frequency in the graph, I naught is current is maximum, and we know current is inversely proportional to the resistance. We have written R1 greater than R2. If resistance is less, then current will be more. So, in this graph, for this circuit, resistance is less, so it has maximum current, and this has more resistance, then it has less current.